Here I have XIAOMI Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, then switch to the SD card here, tap on three dots, go to Storage Settings and select Format. Then tap Format SD card, and after a few seconds your SD card will be formatted and ready to be used and you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.